Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to tackle an interesting problem. Alright, so here this is a problem statement. Finding the shortest substring in a given string that contains all the characters of a given word. Input is very clear that they are trying to provide two inputs, one with an input string and other with a string containing various characters to be mapped. They are expecting an output to return the shortest substring containing all the characters of input 2. This is a example they have provided. Like for the input 1 they are passing my name is Fran, and the input 2 they are expecting the string that containing the characters RIM. So they are expecting the output should be containing all these characters in the input 1. So they are saying the shortest substring that they are expecting is me is fr, so that is over here. This part of code is having all the characters that are present in the input 2. So today I'll be explaining this code in C#. So if anyone else try this code in any other language, please feel free to share that code in the comment section so that it will be useful for the broader audience as well. So let's dive into the code. Alright, so let's create one method, one static method. Let it be find shortest substring. As it should take two inputs, string input 1 and string input 2. So first let me create one dictionary which is of the char and int. So why I'm creating a dictionary? Just to frequency map for characters that are present in input 2. And let me loop it for each C in input 2, and if char map dot contains key of C, then I'll simply increment it. Else I'll make it 1. So in this way we will be mapping the frequency, we will be frequency map for the characters in input 2. Now post this looping. Now let me create one count so that we can identify total unique characters required. And required unique chars equal to char map, so that we can directly get the count. And then would like to, as I said, I'll be following the sliding window technique. So for that I'll be initializing the variables required for that. Left and int weapon. Okay. Start max value. Int min start should be 0. Now I'll try to get the count of characters in the current window that matches in the input 2. For that I'll make one more variable. We'll take one more variable, formed. Now take an array. I will take an array to count the characters in the current window. So count is equal to new int of 256. Now I'll loop through. So within this for loop, now we'll try to check if current character is in input 2 and if it is matching fully. No, it should not be the right. It should be right char. Don't trust the suggestions blindly. Now I would like to have a condition to check if the character is present or fully mapped. For that, first I'll take the char map dot contains key of right char and Windows count of right char equal to char map of right char. If it is fully matched, then I'll increment the format variable. Then now we'll try to minimize the window. We'll try to update the minimum length of the string by checking if right minus left plus 1 is less than min length. Then we'll try to update it. Min length equal to right minus left plus 1. Then we'll assign that left to min start. Now I would like to remove the leftmost character from the window. I'll be removing that, and then I'll be again checking if removing the character break the condition, if it is breaking the condition after removing the character. And window count of left char, if it is less than char map left char, then I'm decrementing this found variable. And then would like to increment this left. So finally, if let's say min length is unchanged and there is no valid substring found, then if it is equal to max value, then we'll be returning just an empty string. And if not, we'll be returning input dot substring of min start, and it is expecting two things, right? Start index and the length. So the length would be min length. Next. So hopefully this logic should work. So here, let me pass two inputs. String input 1 equal to, what is this? My name is Fran. And string input 2 is equal to RIM. Then string shortest substring is equal to find shortest substring of input input 2. Yeah. And then we'll be printing the shortest substring over here. So hopefully we have done the necessary things. Okay, yeah, let me try. According to this, it should print ME is FR. Yes. Took some time, but finally we got the output. ME is FR. So let me give you some brief. I have followed a few steps here. First and foremost thing is the character frequency mapping. And then I have started working on sliding window approach. And then have tried for window count array, and then have tried to processing each character, and then I have minimized the window, and finally I have returned the result. Please feel free to comment if I commit any mistake, or if you feel you can further optimize this code, and please feel free to comment this same thing in the comment box. So I hope you found this video explanation helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials and tips. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for further videos. Thanks for watching and happy coding.